Imagine holding a device in your hand that doesn't just stream movies but literally transforms your entire living room into a futuristic command center. For years, we've seen incremental updates, a faster chip here, a new remote there. But 2026? 2026 is the year Apple decides to stop playing fair. If you thought the current Apple TV was the king of streaming, you aren't prepared for what's coming next. This isn't just an upgrade. It's a total reimagining of what a black box under your TV can actually do. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. We're talking about silicon power that rivals gaming consoles, AI that knows what you want to watch before you even sit down, and a secret feature that might finally kill the smart home competition for good. Why did Apple wait so long? Why did they skip a 2025 release? The answers are starting to leak out, and they are more shocking than we imagined. If you are even thinking about buying a streaming device today, stop. Just stop. You need to hear what's inside the 2026 Apple TV 4K first, because the landscape of home entertainment is about to shift permanently. Let's talk about the heart of this beast. For the longest time, the Apple TV used recycled chips from older iPhones. It was efficient, sure, but it wasn't cutting edge. That changes now. The 2026 model is rumored to be skipping the line and jumping straight to the A18 or even the A19 Pro Silicon. Why does a streaming box need that much power? It's not just for 4K video. It's for the massive wave of Apple intelligence. We are entering an era where Siri isn't just a voice that fails to set a timer. She's becoming an on-device AI powerhouse. Imagine saying, "Hey Siri, show me that one scene from a movie where the guy is wearing a red hat and talking about coffee," and within a second, the exact frame is playing. No searching, no scrolling. Just pure, unadulterated AI precision. But the power isn't just for AI. Apple has been quietly building a gaming empire. With the A19 Pro chip, the Apple TV 4K 2026 is moving into console killer territory. We've seen Resident Evil and Death Stranding running on iPhones, but they've always been held back by thermal throttling and small screens. On the 2026 Apple TV, with its dedicated cooling and massive power supply, we are looking at a device that could realistically play AAA titles at 60 frames per second without breaking a sweat. If you're a parent or a casual gamer, why would you buy a PlayStation when your TV box plays the same games, syncs with your AirPods, and uses your iPhone as a controller? Now, let's address the elephant in the room. The design. Apple hasn't touched the look of the Apple TV in years. But the leaks for 2026 suggest a radical departure. We are hearing whispers of a home hub hybrid. Picture this, a sleeker, thinner profile, but with a built-in camera system. Now, I know what you're thinking. A camera in my living room? Creepy, right? But Apple's angle is FaceTime and gesture control. Imagine sitting on your couch and just waving your hand to pause a movie or adjust the volume. No more digging through sofa cushions for the remote. And for those FaceTime calls, the camera will use center stage to keep you in frame while you walk around the kitchen. It's making the TV the literal window of the house. And speaking of the remote, the Siri remote is getting a massive overhaul. The 2026 version is rumored to include Find My Precision Finding.